Dear student, in this video, I am going to give details information about the syllabus reduction for the academic year 2020-21 of Mathematics Part 2 for Standard 9. Since the reduced content of the syllabus for year 2020-21 in mathematics is reduced, but we should do the self-study of the reduced content of the syllabus. Since whatever reduced content is of the syllabus is reduced, it is helpful for the higher studies in mathematics. So you should do the self-study of reduced content. Now, chapter number 1, basic concept in geometry. So, in this chapter, the details of reduced content is from page number 5. Page number 5 from this chapter, basic concept in the geometry. From this page, practice set 1.1, question number 1, example number 6, 7, 8 is reduced. Then question number 2, practice set 1.1, question number 2, 5th and 6th example is reduced. Then question number 3, practice set 1.1, 4th, 5th and 6th example. So 4th, 5th and 6th example is reduced. Then practice set 1.1, page number 5, question number 5 is reduced from the syllabus. Now next is page number 8. From page number 8, practice set 1.2, practice set 1.2, question number 2nd, practice set 1.2, question number 6, third example. Question number 6, this is third, find du, duv, this is reduced from the syllabus. Now next is page number 11. From page number 11, problem set 1, question number 2, third and fourth example is reduced. Question number 3, fifth and sixth example, and sixth example is reduced. And from page number 12, problem set 1, question number 6 and 10, question number 6 and question number 10 is reduced from the syllabus. So this was the reduced content from chapter number 1, basic concept in geometry. Now second chapter, parallel lines. The reduced content from this chapter are page number 17. Page number 17, practice set 2.1, example number 3. Then practice set 2.1 on page number 18. On page number 18, fifth example is reduced. And directly from page number 21, corollary 1 and corollary 2, these are reduced from the syllabus from chapter number 2nd. So now third chapter, triangle. From third chapter, triangle, the reduced contents are page number 25. From page number 25, use your brain power. This part is reduced. From page number 26, solve example. Third means complete page is reduced from the syllabus. Then from page number 27, solve example 4. This is also reduced from the syllabus. Now page practice set 3.1, page number 28, Page number 28, ninth example. From page number 28, ninth example is reduced. Then from page number 33, from page number 33, isosceles triangle theorem and converse of isosceles triangle theorem is reduced from the syllabus. Isosceles triangle theorem and converse of isosceles triangle theorem is reduced. From page number 34, the corollary and use your brain power is reduced from the syllabus. Now page number 48, page number directly from page number 48 from chapter number 3, entire page, let us recall the project part is this entire page number 48 is reduced from the complete page is reduced from the syllabus. So this was the content from third chapter which is reduced from the syllabus. Now from fourth chapter, constructions of triangle, the reduced content is from page number 53, practice set 4.1, fourth example. From page number 53, practice set 4.1, fourth example is reduced. Then page number 56, from page number 56, the problem set 4, third example is reduced from the syllabus. Now next chapter is quadrilateral, fifth chapter. From this fifth chapter, page number 49. From page number 49, activity number 1 is reduced from the syllabus. Page number 62, page number 62, practice set 5.1, seventh example. Page number 62, practice set 5.1, seventh example 62, seventh example is reduced from the syllabus. Then page number 67, practice set 5.2, example number 3 and example number 5. Page number 67, practice set 5.2, from practice set 5.2, example number 3rd and 5th are reduced from the syllabus. Then page number 68, write the proof of the following statements. From page number 68, write the proofs of the following statement. This statement, diagonals of square of the perpendicular bisector of each other. This all three proofs are reduced from the syllabus. Page number 75, from page number 75, from page number 75, both the table, activity and additional information, entire page is reduced from the syllabus. Now from sixth chapter, circle, the content reduces, page number 79, page number 79, practice set 6.1, sixth example. So sixth example is reduced. Then page number 81, theorem, the chord of the circle, equidistance from the center of circle are congruent. This theorem is reduced from the syllabus. So page number 81, from page number 81, the theorem, this theorem is reduced from the syllabus. Then page number 82, practice set 6.2, practice set 6.2, third example, practice set 6.2, third example is reduced. Then page number 87, problem set 6, second example, problem set 6, question number 2, from page number 87, second example is reduced from the syllabus. From 7th chapter, coordinate geometry, page number 92, activity, line number 3 to 13. So page number 92, activity, this activity entire box. Then page number 94, page number 94, let us discuss this part, let us discuss is reduced, and from page number 95, let us discuss, these three lines are reduced from the syllabus. From the chapter trigonometry, chapter number 8, page number 106, for more information this box, and page number 112, practice set 8.2, practice set 8.2 from 100 and page number 112, practice set 8.2, question number 1, column number 5th, this column 8, 9 and 10, this columns are reduced, this sums are reduced from the syllabus. Now from the last chapter, surface area and volume, page number 119, practice set 9.2, example number 7, 8 and 9. So page number 119, practice set 9.2, example number 7, 8, 9. Then page number 120, the activity box, this box, entire activities, and page number 123, page number 123, problem set 9, example number 8 and 9, problem set 9, example number 8 and 9 are reduced from the syllabus. So this was the reduced content of mathematics paper 2 for standard 9.